Mastering kitchen vocabulary. The cake mixer. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious part of English kitchen vocabulary. The phrase, cake mixer. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it is but also how to use the term like a native. A cake mixer is a kitchen device used to mix cake batter. It combines the cake ingredients smoothly, saving time and effort compared to manual mixing. Cake mixers come in various sizes and can be either handheld or stand mixers. Having a cake mixer in your kitchen arsenal is a game-changer for any baking enthusiast. It ensures that your batter is evenly mixed, which is crucial for the texture and rise of your cake. Plus, it can do more than just mix cake batter. It's versatile for dough, frosting, and more. When describing a cake mixer, consider its features, speed settings, capacity, and attachments like dough hooks or whisks. These features can greatly influence your baking experience and the outcome of your cakes. In English, mixer doesn't just refer to the appliance. It's also part of phrases like social mixer, which is an event designed for people to meet and socialize. It's fun to see how kitchen vocabulary mixes into everyday language. That's a wrap on cake mixers. Remember, whether you're whipping up a dessert or just want to sound like a pro in the kitchen, knowing terms like cake mixer can be incredibly useful. Happy baking! And I hope this video has mixed a little more knowledge into your English vocabulary.